Once you're in this area, the first thing you can begin with is description. If you type in here, you can say, for example, what you want the artificial intelligence to create. So I can, for example, say, write a question that prompts students to reflect on their time in the course, for example. You can also, once you finish writing your prompt, and you can also hit select course items. And for example, you can go to module 6 and you can say, oh, for example, there's no learning materials in here, but if there was learning materials in here, you could select the unit 5 and hit select items. And you can do this for as many items as you would like. Then where it says desired cognitive level, this is what kind of question do you want students to have? And if you click in here, these are the different questions. Inspire Me just does random generation of questions. Then complexity is based on Bloom's taxonomy, and you can change the scale from high to low. And then make sure, if you'd like, you can have it generate the journal title. Just make sure you have this green check mark next to it. And then simply click generate once you are completed, and it will provide you this information.